Hello student, in this video we are going to see about fossil and fossilization. What is meant by fossil? A fossil is an impression, cast, original material or track of any animal or plant that is preserved in rock after the original organic material is transformed or removed is called as a fossil. Fossil is an impression, a cast, original material or track of any animal or plant that are preserved in a rock after the original organic material is transformed or removed. It is called as a fossil. That fossil may be an original skeleton or shell, a mold or cast material that has replaced the once living things, traces such as footprints or worm tubes. This may be the fossil. What are the conditions to promote the fossilization? Hard body parts such as skeletal bones or exoskeleton, that condition promote the fossilization. Also, rapid burial and or lack of oxygen, that make also fossilization. Next, what are the types of fossils? First one is body fossils, the actual part of an organism, unaltered or altered bones, shells, leaves, imprints. These are called body fossil. Trace fossil means evidence of life that is not a body fossil. Example, tracks, burrows, cast is a trace fossil. This is the body fossils. This is about trace fossil. And what are the modes of fossil preservation for body fossils? Unaltered original material, that is original unaltered material from the living organism, unaltered bone or shell. Encrustation or entombments, materials is trapped inside coatings such as amber. What are the modes of fossil preservation for body fossil? Unaltered mummification, quickly dried material. Refrigeration, the material is trapped inside ice and tissue is preserved. This is the refrigeration method. What are the modes of the fossil preservation? Another is altered permineralization. Mineralization, the pores in the tissue are filled by minerals, that is called permineralization. Replacement, that is replacement of tissue with minerals. That is carbonization, tissue material is decomposed or reduced to a film of a carbon. The more on trace fossils about that mold, the reproduction of the inside or outside surface of the living things. This is called mold. Cast, duplicate of the original organism, usually formed by replacement of inside of living things. Burrows or boring, space dug out by living things and preserved as is or filled in. This is called burrows. Gastroliths, a smooth stone from abdominal cavity of dinosaurs. Coproliths, a fossilized excrement usually preserved by replacement. Tracks, the impression of passage of living things. This is more about the trace fossil. This is about the fossil and fossilization. Thank you.